Hello everyone, this is Ethan with Snakecraft Hosting, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files that are over 100 megabytes in size. This happens in our control panel because Cloudflare has a limitation where you can only upload up to 100 megabytes through a website, and since our control panel is proxied through Cloudflare, this 100 megabyte limitation is applied to us. Now what that means is you'll have to SFTP into your slot to upload the file. It's pretty easy. We have videos on how to get started with FileZilla, which is what we recommend, and we also show you how to connect to your server. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of that. So you start out by going to the Settings tab, and then you'll find the server address and the username. So you're going to copy that. You can just click on it and copy it, open up FileZilla, and the server will go into the host field. The username will go into the username field. Then the password is the password that you use to log into the control panel. Once you're done, just click enter, and now you're connected. And since this is a BeamNP server, I'm going to upload a car mod, and simply drag it over, drop it in there, and it's going to upload. Now that the upload is complete, go back into the server files tab, verify that is there. You can see right here, it was uploaded less than a minute ago. Finally, for most of the services, you'll have to restart it and then it will take effect. Now, if you have any other questions or need some support, all you have to do is open a ticket at my.snakecrafthosting.com and we'll be able to help you there. Thank you for watching.